Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, the digital currency that's taking the world by storm. We'll break down the complex world of Bitcoin into simple, easy-to-understand concepts. Whether you're a curious newcomer or just looking for a refresher, stay tuned as we unravel the fascinating world of Bitcoin. Let's get started. Before we dive into this crypto adventure, remember, we're not financial wizards, just enthusiastic guides on this crypto education journey. Think of our advice as a compass, not a treasure map. Your financial future is in your hands. We're just here to shine a light. Consult real experts for major money moves. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous programmer or group of programmers under the alias of Satoshi Nakamoto. It was the first cryptocurrency ever invented. Think of it as digital money. Just like you have physical money in your wallet, Bitcoin is a form of currency that exists only in the digital world. With Bitcoin, you can send and receive money online just like you would with traditional money. But what's really cool is that it's decentralized, which means it's not controlled by any single person, organization, or government. You can send Bitcoin to another person without a middleman. Whereas with a bank, you have to go through them to send and receive money, and at any time, they can cut you out or close your account. However, whenever you want to send Bitcoin to someone, you don't need to wait for your bank or the traditional 3 to 5 business days. You can send it instantly and can access it at any time of day anywhere in the world. In fact, banks and the stock markets operate during limited hours throughout the week and are typically closed during the weekends and holidays. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are available 24/7. Bitcoin is powered by a global network of computers that work together to process transactions and maintain the integrity of the system. This makes it transparent and secure because everyone can see what's happening and no one can cheat the system. You can send Bitcoin to people internationally. If the recipient wants to convert it to their native currency, they can do that. But you see, Bitcoin itself is a currency, so you can keep it just as Bitcoin. Bitcoin eliminates the need to have to travel from government to government, in country to country, and have to convert your currency all the time. With Bitcoin, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can use it as a store of wealth or to make transactions. Another important aspect of Bitcoin is its limited supply. Unlike traditional money, which can be printed or created by a central bank, there will only ever be a finite amount of Bitcoin, 21 million to be exact. This makes it valuable and resistant to inflation. Once all 21 million Bitcoins are mined, no more new Bitcoins will be created. This is what makes Bitcoin a deflationary currency, and it's one of the reasons why some people believe it could be a store of value, like gold. So far, we have learned that with Bitcoin, you have full control over your assets. It's decentralized. You can send money globally, much faster and cheaper. There's no middleman, and it's deflationary. Now we're going to focus a little bit more into how much Bitcoin is already circulating around the world and what is Bitcoin's market cap. To do this, we will use a site called CoinGecko.com, which helps you track the prices of different cryptocurrencies. The current Bitcoin circulating supply is about 19.5 million. Remember, the max supply is 21 million, so there's less than 2 million Bitcoins left to be mined. For more about mining, check the link in the description below. Bitcoin's market cap is simply just the total volume of Bitcoin itself, so if we take this total circulating supply of Bitcoin, which is out in the world, how much is 19.5 million Bitcoin worth right now? As of October 2023, the total market cap of Bitcoin is just over $538 billion. In 2021, Bitcoin reached a market cap of over $1 trillion. Let's just pause on that. It took Bitcoin only 12 years to reach a market cap of $1 trillion. It took Tesla 18 years, Google 21 years, Amazon 24 years, and Apple 42 years to reach a market cap of $1 trillion. One last thing before we head off of CoinGecko.com. Bitcoin can be divided into smaller pieces, just like how the US dollar can be broken down into quarters, cents, or dimes. Bitcoin can be broken down into Satoshis. You don't have to have one full Bitcoin, you can transact with Satoshis. We have talked about how Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning no central controlling authority. So how are all of Bitcoin's transactions recorded? With a bank, you have a ledger. The bank keeps track of how much money you have in your account and where the money is going to. But with Bitcoin, we use what's called the blockchain. The blockchain is a digital ledger, or digital notebook, where all transactions are stored and it's open for anyone to see, which is different from the bank. You can't just look up a bank's ledger and see where all of the transactions are going. But with the blockchain, you can see any transaction. Your transactions are represented by a public address. A crypto address is just a 32-character alphanumeric code. So think of your crypto address like the address to your home. In order for you to receive mail to your home, you have to give your address out. Or you can compare it to your checking or routing number, to your bank account, which allows people to send you money. Well, in order to receive Bitcoin to your wallet, you have to give someone your crypto address, which serves as your home address or routing number. Your crypto address is listed on the blockchain when you make a transaction, not your name, so you can remain pseudo-anonymous. For a more descriptive breakdown of crypto addresses or public and private keys, see the resources in the description on this video. So, in a nutshell, Bitcoin is a digital currency that's decentralized, transparent, and has a limited supply. It's changing the way we think about money and how we transact online. But, like with any investment or technology, it's important to do your research and understand the risks before getting involved with Bitcoin. It's also worth noting that the price of Bitcoin can be highly volatile, so it's important to be cautious. I hope this gave you a basic understanding of what Bitcoin is all about. If you have more questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.